friends, today's recipe stuffed brinjal curry. Take a kadai and we'll start the preparation of masala. Take a coconut, roast it, then white sesame seeds. You can roast it, it need less time because sesame seed will roast very fast. So be careful, keep the same gas and make it. You have to add coriander powder and all. Already I have all the ready, whatever I ready kept. So I'm not adding. I'm just adding whatever required. This is roasted peanuts also there. I'm just making heat. So this all we have to roast it properly and keep aside. Let it cool and then grind it. Believe me guys, try it once. This is a very tasty brinjal stuffed brinjal curry. Just try it once. So make this is powder. Keep aside and make this is powder. Now take the brinjals. You can take small purple color brinjals. Till if you are getting smaller, you can use it. Whatever I have, I'm using. So how to cut brinjal? I will just show it. You just make it middle cut, both sides. So you can check and it is destroyed or good. So like that you have to cut. Stuffed brinjal, there are many different types of stuffed brinjal curries. I will prepare and I will show you one by one. So you have to check any worms are there inside, it is good. So like that you have to cut all the brinjals while cutting careful. So you just check it how it is clean, neat, and then you keep water. Otherwise, no need to keep water while you are preparing. Instantly you can cut it and keep. Starting only you have to keep clean in water. I have kept in water. So while keeping oil, it will sprinkle more. So take this all, whatever I have roasted, coconut, groundnut, sesame seeds, grind it well. If you don't have coriander powder, you have to roast it and make it. You have to mix in this only. So this is almost ready. Take a pan or kadai. Take oil. We have to fry now brinjals first. It has to be softened. Directly if you keep hard brinjal, it won't be. It will take time to cook. And see, this is what I did the mistake. The water brinjal I kept in water and I didn't strain it. So this is what it is happening. So you just strain it properly and keep it in oil, otherwise it will start sprinkling the oil. So make it first, fry it well. So you can see it how much it is softened. Till we need some more softened, so based on that you can check it how it is. Still it is hard, so we have to wait. Believe me guys, this is very tasty sabji. So you can prepare it, and once you prepare and have it, you can have with chapati, roti, kulcha, anything whatever you like to. With the rice also you can have. This is a very tasty. Now it is a softened, you can remove it. So you can see. So use same kadai for tadka for this brinjal curry. Add same oil, you can use it. Add mustard, then jeera, now ginger garlic paste. You can prepare in mixie also. This is I used to prepare in stone only. Half I will do. I don't like complete paste. So now why I'm closing it, it will sprinkle everywhere. So that's what I am closing like this. You can close and mix it. We can avoid the sprinkling. Now take how much onion you want. 2 or 3 big onion with finely chopped. It should be turned into pink. You have to, till that you have to fry it, saute it well. Now add tomatoes. Tomatoes also take 1 or 2 based on how much you are preparing. The quantity you are taking 5 brinjals, 10 brinjals. Based on that you have to adjust it. Add bay leaves, cinnamon stick, and lavang or cloves. So mix it well, let it be cooked properly. Now add 3 to 4 small spoon red chili powder, 1 small spoon turmeric. So mix it well. Add 2 teaspoon garam masala or 1.5 spoon also fine. This is a coriander powder which I have roasted and roasted, and I have made the powder, so that one I am adding. This is a gurad, you can add or you can skip based on it. The taste will come good. So mix it well, let it allow to cook. The masala should be cooked. So whatever we have prepared, coconut, groundnut and sesame seed powder, I am adding it. You can add how much you require, don't add whatever you have prepared. This curry is very tasty. You can eat with rice, chapati, kulcha, naan. You can try it once and comment me how it was. And this is not even tough, it is very easy. There are 4 to 5 type of stuffed curries, brinjal stuffed curries. So I have added rock salt, and this is a jaggery. This is a jaggery powder, organic jaggery powder. You don't think what is that? That is organic jaggery powder I have added. Rock salt, because rock salt will give good taste. And this is a tamarind water. Don't take more. You can take less only, and you can add it and let it allow to cook in that. So it will come taste nice. You can see the color and texture. Now you can add water till you can add the water and make the consistency. This is still thick. If you want add, you can add the water. Now whatever fried brinjals we have to add it. Mix it well. You can see the texture, color. If you want to add the water, how much you want consistency. Close the lid and allow to cook 10 minutes. The brinjal and the masala should be mixed properly. So allow it 10 minutes to cook, and middle check it is cooked or not. Don't cook more brinjal, otherwise it some people like more cooked, some won't like. So based on that you have to cook, but more cooked means it will mix with the curry and it will be destroyed in that only. So use one level to cook. It should be one level, should be only cooked, not more. Our stuffed brinjal is ready. You can see the color, texture. Add finely chopped coriander. Definitely try this, guys. This is very tasty. I have kept and eating 2 days. So you can see the I have prepared chapati. With chapati I am using. I will show how to prepare chapatis. My chapatis are very soft, and if we keep mouth, it is a mouth watering kind of. So see the color, texture. You can eat with chapati. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.